Well, okay, today's December 14th. They turned 8 weeks today. And pretty much it's kind of the last days with Mommy. That is Aubrey. Aubrey! Aubrey, don't eat that grass. Come on. Come. That's Mommy, Daisy. And who is here? That's Mommy, Daisy. Ooh, that's Capper. Capper. That's Aubrey and Capper. They're leaving this week to their new homes. And last days with Mommy. Mommy loves to play with them. That's Mommy, Daisy, and babies. They love to come out here. They do their party out here. They already learned how to sit and come with only 8 weeks old. Very smart. They're drinking water now. Aubrey! Capper! Capper! Good boy! Ooh! Where are they? Can't catch them. Ooh, they're too fast. There you go. That's Aubrey. And that's Mommy there playing. That's Capper. Beautiful babies. 8 weeks today. They just went to the bed. We got the first shots. Aubrey! And Capper is looking at the peacock. The peacock is back there watching the puppies. That's Betty, the peacock. That's Capper. Beautiful Capper. Ooh, look at the gate. Oh, nice. That's Aubrey. That's Buddy Galileo. Over there, Buddy Shyla. They're their friends. Aubrey. Good girl. Capper. Capper, come. Good boy. Good boy. Yes. Yes. Capper, come. Sit. You sit. You sit. Sit for me. Sit. Very good. Aubrey. Aubrey. Sit. Very good. Sit. Sit. Very good. That's Aubrey and Capper. They learn how to sit. And then I give them a treat. Oops. Lost them again. That's Capper. And beautiful Aubrey. Aubrey, sit. Sit. Good girl. Very good. I'll give you a cookie in a little bit. I don't have them with me. Capper. Capper. Capper, come. 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 Sit. 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 Very good. Good doggies. Where are they? I can't find them. Where are they? Right here. Yes, that's Mommy. Mommy's playing. Mommy loves to play with them. There you go. That's Mommy and babies. It's Mommy and babies. Yes. Capper. Capper. Off. That's Mommy and baby. Okay. That's the last video with Mommy, Capper, and Aubrey playing before they go to their new homes. See? Mommy loves to play with them. That's Daisy. That's Daisy. 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 What you doing? What you doing, Daisy? What you doing? Daisy, sit. Daisy, sit. Sit. Pretty Daisy. You're skinny. You gotta gain more weight now. You have those babies. Aubrey. She's the boss. She's the boss. Oops. Okay.